Hi everyone! So for today's video, we will gonna slaughter our broiler chicken and identify its digestive parts. So, let's begin. Before I slaughter the chickens, I weigh them first one by one. Step 1 in slaughtering chicken. Catch the chicken and place it into the cone facing head down. This will allow its wings to be held together and do not flap so violently after that. Step 2. Plunge the chicken into the hot water bath for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Step 3. Quickly tuck the chicken legs under his breast and begin to pull out of the pin. Step 4. Cut the feet off to joint. Cut the head and get all the internal parts out of the body. So here's a quick tour of the chicken digestive system. Esophagus or gullet transports food from the mouth to stomach. Crop, a pouch in esophagus used to store food temporarily before moving it into the stomach. Stomach or the gizzard, the organ where food is broken into smaller units. Small intestine, aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Liver, the largest glandular organ in the body. Large intestine, primarily to absorb water, dry out indigestible food, and eliminate waste products. Cloaca, it's where the digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems meet. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching!